my refrigerator and like a wall.
He's
I
staying
do it on
up.
there. I don't have any more, but I used to. It's just fun.
Your brother is
Cool.
yes.
He's like is that a video?
Yes.
Let's not laugh at me anymore.
I'm not laughing at you, Needy.
Laugh at me. You're laughing at
I'm
me.
not laughing at you. I'm
You're
laughing at your
inside.
inside.
I said it first. You did.
Why are your eyes so wide open? You're drinking the water.
She's like, Christine, let's have a face fight. No, wait.
Guys, we still have pancakes.
What are you planning to do? Take off your face and fight?
Oh, it's too dark, damn it.
I feel like 14.
She did. She was going.
She already lost the bet.
Do
Whatever.
it for the camera, Michelle. Do it for the camera.
She already did it for the camera.
Today you remember child porn?
What?
Why are we looking at children porn?
What are you two doing?
Child porn and lesbian porn? Child porn.
What are you talking about?
Exactly. You two are really bad.
What? What is going on?
Oh my god.
What the hell? I mean, just like looking at the menu.
Come here. Why did we talk about that?
I don't know.
Chris brought it up.
Did we? We're gonna like.
Give me my phone, please.
Or Mr. Mons.
That's like, who wants the pancakes? Pancakes? Do you want pancakes?
Hello?
Emma.
Christine's on the phone. Rice with chicken.
Oh, chicken. Chicken.
Is it egg drop chicken?
Chicken.
Egg drop soup? I like wonton soup.
Jen, you match a lot of your headbands.
You want me to
She
get
does,
one
look
of
at
those
what
headbands, don't you?
she's coordinated.
What's wonton?
Soup with wonton in it. It was the one at your party.
It was at your party.
Yeah, it was at your party.
My mom ordered it.
It was
Isn't
good.
it like noodles or something in it?
It has like, I don't know how to describe it, but wonton.
Chicken in it. Is it? Yeah, what he said. Is it?
I don't know. It just says choice of egg roll, wonton, egg drop, chicken, rice, noodle soup, or vegetable roll or tomato.
Your face looks interesting here.
Who?
You.
Wow, what am I doing?
I don't know. You're like I see half of it because the lighting is got back.
What?
Okay, I guess you could do a little dance.
I'll get
Fried Oreos.
sweet and sour chicken combination with roast pork, fried
Okay,
rice,
I am
wonton soup.
I'm